Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make multiple Google Sheets into one PDF. Let's begin. First of all, open your spreadsheet, then open your multiple PDF file or document. Example, sheet 1, sheet 2, 3, sheet 2, sheet 1, 2, sheet 3. Okay, example. I use example. Then hold Control, select multiple tabs, go to File, download PDF and export. Click the export drop down menu, select workbook, and now we can see paper size, landscape, rotate, change your settings, then export, download, open, and now we can see this 3 pages: page 1, page 2, page 3. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.